Ringkat katong ban pensngotu kam jana yak ke baki samla puli ki deban pendam ketenat political science jong ka St Mary's College Shillong haringkat ka jingas nok ti lang wat ka NSS unit jong ka college kalapen long yak ka inter-department exhibition halor ka pangpdeng My India My Pride. Hakani ka exhibition lai shimbenta da kitanat baper jong ka college ban pen I yaki sap ki phong hakaban shna ban penwandur yaki jingpuli jong ki haki ki baki yo I bat ki le man ka sngi nadu ka kom em haka em lang salang ka bam ka di ka jingkot jingkhia ka culture ka jing penne pensa ya ka mei mariang ka jing le kai sports ka jing start science but technology bat ki wei daga jinge tray lang shi paralog shi para class ringkat ki no hikai kini ki samla puli ki la ban kring ya ki babon ki khana puli ban wan saki bat ban yo jingnang jingtep na kini ki samla daga jing bishar ki laingot ki no hikai bakenthop ya ka Miss I Chowdhury Miss R Lamar bat Miss Y Nongrum ya ka kerdan baningkong na preng ki nong job la yo daga history department both daga economics department haga kerdan ka baar bat ka BCA department haga kerdan ka balai. Nakal yang usulong mil ula yo banyak kran bat ki kat tu kan ngot ki samla pule bakan thopru ya kawai ke sesta ki bala pen pa ya ka jingkeman ba ka jing trang ban yo sho khambon kum ki negi program ki ba ai jing mentoy ya ki babun
kani ka model ka bangile am kam kadi jing ri lang ya ba ro nama balai ka pen I bang ya haban umna bangin sumar ya lala mariang ba ai da ulai dine am hang ni ka pen I ba ladang ni sumar ya ka mariang ka jerngam kalong niyo kali er ka bapangan ki marat ki em ka diem ka don niyo kali er ka bapangan dek hang teipan ka pen I ba ki beriu ladap stang ka yeng da ka factory de ki building de ki diem la syapong don ki marat la syapnyap don katu te kalong kawana ingin kali er ka bapam pangan mo kani kayo jing toy iyangi walang hindi na political science department tambalong kani model ka bangile am kay habang ya ba namar ni kumanta college ken nim julia thanting ki activities telling ba kani ka exhibition nila banya don lang sikolong nila ban pen I kita ki ideas ni nilong creative te namar ni te nadu bawan first semester ni paju ile kini te telling ba kani ka exhibition nila ban pen I kata kasap mo ka bangidon te kata talent bangidon.
Hello everyone, I am Sister Lidiani Mary Sutunga, FMA. So I study in St. Mary's College and I belong to the Department of Computer Science. So today it's a beautiful day indeed because we are having the exhibition. The students from different departments are performing their exhibition. They bring about their imagination into reality. So what our group, like my team members, are doing is that we are doing a smart water tank monitoring system. So why this system? Actually, we want to solve the real world system, like the real world problem. And the beautiful thing about this one is that we configure it into it is a web-based configuration whereby you'll get the notification in your mail if you give us your email ID. So it will automatically give you the information how many days the water is being pumped, how many days the water is being stopped, and what is the how to say the temperature of the water and all this. So this is mainly what we did today in this in our exhibition.
Hello everyone, I'm Kanchi Murthy from St. Mary's College first semester economics department. For today's exhibition, my teammates are making along with me. We are making a model on the economic development about how the economic development plays a role in the agricultural sector, IT, software, manufacturing, and many more. Our model is basically about how we could enhance the old system of farming or agriculture and develop into the new modernization of farming, where certain agriculture advancements are there, where the different kinds of methods we could use, such as aqua farming and all, which really helps us to maintain.
I am Surim Basan from St. Mary's College, Political Science Department, 5th semester. And today, the 30th of August, St. Mary's College has organized an exhibition where each and every department is allowed to participate and showcase their talents, whether it is in the subject of science and technology, subject in maths, subject in computer, or whatever subject that you like. We are getting a chance today to showcase our talents, and I am very grateful and thankful to the college community and to the Department of Political Science for giving us, the students, this opportunity that we can showcase our talents, because not only class activities or class curriculum activities are important, but so is outside activities, physical activities, which will shape our personality, bring out the best in us, and help us in the future. And so, thank you so much for giving us this opportunity, and we look forward to more activities like this in the coming years. And also, I want to say that in the coming years, I would like that the college will organize competitions such as inter-college competitions, as we will love to compete with each other, and we will competing against each other. We get to explore, we get to learn from each other, we get to learn what the other person's perspective is, what culture she belongs to, what culture he or she belongs to. We get to learn, and so I am very grateful, and I am looking forward to more such events. Thank you so much.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.